Introducing one of Nashville's most exclusive residences in the heart of the Gulch. With unrivaled panoramic views of the Nashville skyline, this home redefines luxury living. Welcome to 1212.
This meticulously crafted corner unit is in a league of its own, complete with a full custom renovation and walkable to over 7,000 square feet of elite dining and retail. Come see for yourself.